Hey, hey, welcome to 23. 23 is a special number. Well, no, it's really not. Not that special at all. But after today, we'll have lesson 24, and then we'll be 1/5 of the way through the entire book, which is a little more than half, I think, if I remember my homeschool or public school math. Anyway, okay. Ratios, we're messing with those today. So let's define a ratio. All it is just a way of comparing two numbers. The ratio of, I don't know, boys to girls in some classroom was, 5 to 7. Okay, and you can also write, by the way, you can write the ratio. In other words, that doesn't mean there are 12 kids in the class, 5 boys and 7 girls. There could be 50 boys and 70 girls. The ratio would still be 5 to 7 if you reduce the fraction. All right. Also, another way to write this ratio, 5 to 7, that's a TO. You could say also 5 to 7, that's another one. You can also go like this, like a fraction, 5 to 7. That's the 3 ways to do it. So anytime you see any of those, that's how you write a ratio. Okay, real quickly. 3 main rules of ratios. You can write these down. You can pause and write down if you want to. You don't have to, but just make sure you know these and you're aware of them, okay? All right, first off, write in the order you're asked to give them. Notice I didn't say, boys to girls is 5 to 7. I put 5 to 7, not 7 to 5, if I'm saying boys first, all right? Second, reduce the ratios like they're fractions. In other words, if I went back here and I said, the ratio of boys, it's a big classroom, or it's a large homeschool family. The ratio of boys to girls is 50 to 70. Okay, you should go, well, I don't care if there are 50 plus 70, 120 kids in the van, really squished in there. The ratio is 5 to 7 because that's the reduced fraction of 50 to 7. Okay, third rule is leave them in fraction form, not mixed numbers. We'll talk more about that as we go on. Okay, let's try one. A baseball player got 2 hits and struck out 5 times. What was his strikeout to hit ratio? Okay, now notice what they're asking. They're asking strikeout to hit ratio. They gave you the hit and the strikeout part in that order, but you want to put it in the strikeout to hit ratio, exactly what they ask you to do. So 2 hits and struck out 5 times. So the strikeout to hit ratio you would say is 5 to 2. Or you would say, 5 to 2 or 5 to 2. Either one of those ways. All right. Another example. In a math class with 9 students, there are 2 girls. What's the ratio of boys to girls in the class? So you want to make sure, you don't have to write this down. I'll just do it. So boys to girls, that's what you're looking for, right? There's a ratio. Boys to girls, you tell me how many boys are there, obviously. 7, right? Okay. So there's 7 boys to 2 girls. And there you go. That's the ratio. That's all there is to it, ratios. Okay. All right. Try the practice set. That is on page 120. Try A and pause it and come on back. All right. 19 cats and 12 dogs. It's 12 to 19. Make sure you say that in the right. They said cats to dogs, but they're asking you for dogs to cats. So make sure that's in the right order. Okay. Big deal. No big deal. Try B. Pause it. Okay. If there's 30 children, 17 boys, then it's 13 to 17, right? So girl, boy is the order. 13 girls, 17 boys. All right. Pause it and try C. All right. Trucks to cars, 2 to 7. There we go. That's it. Have fun with ratios. See you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll be done with lesson 24, 1/5 of the way through the entire thing. Go give all your brothers and sisters a big fat kiss. Clean their rooms. Scrub the toilets. Wash the dog. If you don't have a dog, go buy a dog or take a dog. Wash the dog. See you next time.